Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to channel again. Another day, another vlog. Hey, Chiming, what's up? She's so excited. Today is Sunday, so me and my wife is off. So we're gonna go to some nice place. I don't know where we're going, so we're just coming out. Chiming, careful, Laksa. Alright, guys. See you. Guys, we're here. Basically, it's like a man-made beach. This is a man-made beach in Lido. We've been here so many times. Every time we come in Lido Beach, it's like but now looks beautiful. Look at this. Wow, so nice. Oh, you know, Mati, let's go. That side. Mati, but train, man. Train, ayo. Wow, train is coming now. Oh, Mati, train, sir. Let's go and train now. Yeah, this way. Oh, that one by Japanese. There's so many water and it's mud. Not nice. What we're gonna go? We're gonna go to train. Train station there is. Look at the station is there. So we're gonna go on the train. Yes, yo. All right, let's have a coffee. No, we're gonna go to train first. We are in the train ride. Timing, come on, Momala. You got tickets? Yeah. Yeah, okay. What are we sitting here? There. Oh, buggy. Look, train, Timing. Yes, let me put this in the. Oh, let's get us. Look, train. 2 more minutes. We're gonna go ride. The train is ready to go. Train is on the gate. Okay, train is ready to depart. Guys, look at this. 4 people. Chiming is eating chips. More people's coming now. All train is going now. Train ready to go. Ready to go. So nice. Kesara boleh ko, Keramro. Hey, train's ready to go. Kesara boleh ko. Just have some chips, guys. Hey, हामी त गयो ट्रेनमा. Look at the guys, we are on the train. Hey, Beijing stock ayo. Look at the small train behind. Yeah, beach Marisa. God damn it, what a beautiful ride. Bye. So nice. Guys, we're having a lovely time. The train is going all over forest. Look at this. All the trees, beautiful view. Looking on top. Chiming in Mama front. Me and my wife is in the backside sitting. Everyone, bye-bye. Bye-bye. And we're excited. You enjoying? So nice. So nice. Traffic jam at the train. Now you got a little bit traffic jam. Upcoming trains coming. Now you're going to see them. What a fantastic, beautiful weather. But look at this. Upcoming train is coming. Central line train. Look at it. London ma hamro babu train ko station aipugyo. Look at the guys station katna mere sa yo kuch tha pani ho. Wilchester station raise ya nanti hogi station ko. Oh look, so cute. Station ma kaam garda chha ke am Hasti Hill station ma mistri bhaiya resu. Look, tick tick tick. Oh, guys, friends have stopped here for the final destinations. Now we are going back to the same train. So yeah, she's busy. Momala and Chiming is having chips. Right, now we're gonna stay here a few minutes, like a train gonna go. No, go, don't go. Look at train! Bye bye! Bye bye! Oh, there's more train there, you know. Train factory is so nice. Yeah, main gate is Manchikatani. Chiming, having fun? Nice? Chiming, don't like you? Don't like it? Don't like it? Charo taraf jungle, all the way forest. Now in the middle train we are going. We are here now. Abajani finish ba? Momola hand pakadi news. Careful. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, final distance is here. Momola. Mama, you know okay, final distance inside. So where's Mama? Ooh, Mama is on the way. Mama is getting pram. We are here now. Station, train stop now. What is this? Woody Bay for the beach. Hi, Mama. What's that? Yeah, it was good fun. Thank you. Very nice, very nice. Enjoyed it. When you come outside from the station, ooh, Chiming's already here. Let's play ball, Chiming, and the gym ball kill. Huh? Cafe, let's go. Let's go this way, Mama. Yeah, Mama. Let's have some coffee. Order some latte and chips and cheese. We decided to eat some other place. So yeah, number 10. Order number 10. We tried to sit outside, but it's a little bit cold and chilly. So we're gonna go inside the coffee shop. Let's sit down here. Nice and warm is here. Let's see here. My order number 10. How long? She's one of the she's ordering. I guess Mommy's okay. She's a lot of cheese. She's filming and Mama getting ice cream. Let me see what ice cream she got it. Mama, could you ice cream buy you? Which flavor are you having? Chiming, could you flavor? Chiming, could you flavor cargo? Pink. Pink one. Oh my God, so nice. Wow, so nice flavor. Look, Chiming. Strawberry flavor. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Let's go in there. Sit down. Slowly. Do not drop it. No chocolate. Strawberry nice inside. What's up? Let me have a look. What flavor? Chiming, could you flavor? Oh? Strawberry. Okay, Chiming got strawberry. Oh, Mama, finish your ice cream. God, look at the big board. Pirate is Ambo. Pirate of Caribbean. Look, you can go up. Mati, Jane? Are you sure? Let's go. 1, 2, let's go up. This way, let's go. I'll help me. Up you go. Mama is on the way. Mama is coming. Chiming in the. Let's chiming a ball. Chiming a ball. Go, yo. Chiming a ball. Riding a ship now. Tan tan. Chiming, ship sailing the sea. We are the Pirate of Caribbean. Yeah, hey, tell us. Oh, Mama, tell us. Oopsie, sorry. Chiming, do you remember? She is looking everywhere. Chiming is in the Pirate of. Oh, Chiming, yeah. They said Chiming is in the Pirate of Caribbean. Ma, we have a big flag in the top. So we have come here, Mama, Dada, and Chiming playing. Is that it? Is that it? You sure? You want to go inside? It's very dangerous. Chiming, strong Chinese, you baby. Look at, we go. Slow down. Now we're gonna go all up to there. Look at this crocodile or lizard. I don't know what is this. You kill crocodile, oh? Legit? Crocodile, lizard. Oh my God. Chiming, lizard, my bus. Oh, boat race, boat. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, brother. Let's go to the boat. Yo, Moana boat. This is the Moana's boat. Moana. Guys, look at the flag. Pirate of Caribbean, just there, and you can see the small boat. Yeah, nice, Jimmy. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice, Jay. Come up. Moana ka boat. Moana. Where's the Moana here? Moana. Hey, Moana. Roll, rolly, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Oh, look at the swimming. Huh? Done? Let's see. Done? Whoa. Fingers on it. Swimming lot, right? Let's go to the beach. Do not touch it. No touching. Only. Good job. Let's go. Guys, we had a lovely time. It was really, really nice. Now we are heading to home. I don't know where we're going, but it was really nice day we had. Look at this. Look at this place, man. Look at that. Where's the Chimin gone, Mama? Oh, we just... Oh, I'm the wrong way. So it was really, really lovely sunny day it was. Now I got feeling a little bit chilly. Now we are heading to home. Hello, all right. So see how it goes now. We're gonna go straight. Mama Chimin in there. Oh, yeah. Wait. Okay, guys, we reached home and then everybody was tired. Now we decided to have some kebab night. So I just came to get some kebab. Kebab, yeah. So we're gonna have a chicken doner kebab from that shop. It's near to my house, 2 minutes driving. Once you get a kebab, oopsie daisy. So yeah. So guys, we're gonna park in here. It's free night time. Just gonna get some quick kebab here. What is it? Haji Baba Kebab. So this is my local place. Oh no, closed! Oh my god, Habib Babab is closed now. We're gonna it's closed now. I came into a chicken wrap shop. So we ordered some chicken and wrap for my mama and wife. So I had some chicken biryani and then I ordered some naan as well. So we're gonna go home and have some. Yeah, so a little bit disappointed because my mama wants to have a chicken. Today she wants to have a kebab. No kebab today, no kebab night. So he's cooking the guy. So yeah, we're gonna go home now and then eat some biryani. Let's see how it goes. Guys, I'm finished. We have just finished the chicken tikka roll. What do you want? Ha ha ha! Vlog banako, end gareko. Do you want to come with me?
No.
Okay. No, hey, I'm just making end vlog. I'm doing the end vlog. Yeah. Alright. Let me finish my end vlog. Okay, she's here. I'm gonna end my vlog and then we'll play and we're gonna sleep. Alright guys. We just finished my takeaway food. We had really, really enjoyed it. And Chimi had her own pasta. She's happy. She's happy. So yeah. And I hope you guys enjoy this small day vlog. If you really like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share and subscribe. If you are new in channel, don't forget subscribe. That's very important. And then I will see you next vlog. Good night. Till then, stay tuned. So, good night. 1, 2, 3. Good night.